We start now. Look at here. Write some questions. Now I'm do the revision questions of both chapters. Okay. Write the question. Write a rational number between. Write a rational number between. Write. Write a rational number between 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. Write a rational number between 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. Write a rational number between 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. What will do this one? You can write what? Same 10 by 90, 20 by 90. So what is the number? 11 by 90. Finish. Simple. Correct or no? We just multiply 1 by 9, 2 by 9. Multiply by 10. So 10 by 90 and 20 by 90. So 11 by 90, 12 by 90. Yeah, right? Right, this one? Oh, Divan, she joined. Okay. I thought I'll do same thing tomorrow. Okay. If you want, you can go for your science tuition. No problem. Okay. Okay. Look at here. 10 by 90, 20 by 90. So 11 by 90. Okay. So clear now? Okay. Question. Viraj, write a rational number between, write a rational number between 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. Okay. Clear now. So that means if it is the denominator is easy, denominator same, it's quite easy. Okay. If it is different, look at here. Next question, right? Write two irrational, write two rational numbers, write two rational numbers. Yes, that only finished now, Janil. 3 exercise. Okay. Write two rational numbers. Write two rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. Right? Two rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. What will do? Come on. This question, you have to find the LCM. Okay. LCM is 20. So 2 by 5 equal to 20 here, correct? 5 into 4, 20, here 8. Then 3 by 4 equal to 20. 4 into 5, okay, 15 now. So then what you can write? 9 by 20, 11 by 20, like that we can write. Okay? Is it okay or not? Okay. So that means if listen, if the denominator is same, very easy. If the denominator is different, make it equal. Are you okay all? Archik, okay? And is it okay all? Okay. If you want, you can take the mic and answer it. When I ask that guy, particular guy only. Okay. Okay. So next question. Next one. Write a rational number. Write a rational number write a rational number between root 2 and no, not to join. No need to join. Same thing on I'll teach them. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 5. Root 2 and root 5. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 5. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 5. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 5. Okay. Question clear or not? Look, here root 2, you know that approximate value is 1.41. 1.414. Root 5 is 1.372. Okay. 1.37 approximate only. This is approximate value. So which is the safest number? Can you suggest now one number between root 2 and root 5? No need to write such a big number, man. No need to write such a big number. 1.37, 1.3725, like that. 1.39. Yes, 1.39. Okay, small number. 1.39. 1.39. Okay. So now understood. I hope you understood how to write the between cases. Okay. Now, right. Okay. I'll ask you a question. Okay. I'll ask you a question. You have to answer it. Okay. Just a revision only today we are doing. Okay. Okay. Right. Write the question. Give an example to show that. Give an example. This is very important. Star question. Give an example to show that. Give an example to show that. Give an example to show that sum of two irrational number. Sum of two irrational number. Sum of two irrational numbers may be a rational number. Sum of two irrational number. Sum of two irrational number is rational number. Give an example. You have to study some typical examples. Okay. Give an example. Give an example. The sum of two irrational number is rational. That means when we add, we get a rational number. Clear or not? When we add two irrational number, we get a rational number. Okay. Look at here. First, I'll show this one. Examples. 3 minus 2. 3 plus root 2. What will we get? 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2. When we add, what happened? Root 3 plus root 6, what? Root 3 plus Vishwant, don't listen, you first of all. Your answer is wrong. Root 3 plus root 6 plus not root 9. Come on. Root 3, like that. Root 25 plus root 25, is it equal to root of 50? Is it equal? Vishwant. Root of 25 plus root of 25, is it equal to root of 50? Is it 50 or not? Vishwant? No. So that means what? Don't just answer it. I'll give the example, typical examples. Okay. Look at here. Root of 100 plus root of 100. It is not equal to root of 200. Okay. Actually, what? 10 plus 10 equal to what? 20. Like that only. Okay. So now you said root of 3 plus root of 6, not root of 9. Okay. Look at Viraj. It's wrong, man, what you're telling. Okay, listen here. 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2, we add what happened? 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2 is cancelled. Answer what? 6. 6 is a rational number. Okay, show the proof also. Come on. What the question? The sum of two irrational number. Sum of two irrational number is a rational number. Okay, you keep some example with you. Okay, or 5 plus 5 minus root 2 comma 5 plus root 2. When we add, its cancel is 10, like that. I hope clear now. Okay or not? Okay, so only give one example. How many examples they're asking you? One example, don't show more examples. Okay, idea understood or not? Not to by heart it. Idea understood or not? What is the question? Sum of two irrational number is an rational number. Okay, don't think like this. What Bishop said, root of 3 plus root of 6 equal to root of 9. No, it is wrong. Okay, we cannot add like that. Okay. So then next question. Next one. Difference of two irrational number. Difference of two irrational number is rational. Difference of two irrational number is rational. Difference of two irrational number is rational. Difference means subtraction. Difference of two irrational number is rational. Difference of two irrational number is rational. Vishal, are you getting or not? Okay. Okay, question is sum of question is sum. The difference of question is difference of two irrational number is question is the difference of two irrational number is rational. Okay, when we subtract we get a rational number. Okay, look, 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 2. Okay, 4 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2. What happened? 4 plus root 2 is all star question. Okay, 4 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2 is subtract. What happened? 4 plus root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. 4 plus root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Cancel. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is a rational number. So they, okay. So now we two example over. Okay. Aneka, is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is Vishal? Vishal absent today? Vishal. Anubhava, is it okay? Okay. And clear now? Ashmita, Yugasri, Monica, clear now all? Muhammad, Nidin. Okay. So next one. Product of two irrational is rational. Product of two irrational is 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 rational. Product of two irrational is rational. Okay, look, root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. Two numbers. Root 2 plus 1 comma root 2 minus 1. What happened? Root 2 square minus 1 square. That is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. You can make your own example. There is no issue. Okay, I'm just giving an example only. Okay, next one. Quotient of two irrational. Quotient of two irrational. Quotient of two irrational. Quotient of two irrational is rational. Quotient of two irrational is rational. Okay. Root 8 and root 2. What happened? Root 8 and root 2. Root of 8 divided by 2. Root of 4 equal to 2. Okay. Same order. Root 8 comma root 2. It's clear or not? Is it okay or not? So that means now we'll look at here. Look at here. We got examples. Okay. Product of two irrational is rational. Yes, I saw no. 3 plus root 2, comma 3 minus root 2. What is that? Product of two irrational is rational. Look, that's why we did know. Samyukta, I'm coming to step by step. Okay, if you are you have many questions, leave the batch. Okay. I'm explaining one by one. Then you asking another question. You go sit outside now. Okay, don't ask me such a question. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm telling you examples. No, it's not the first time. You ask many questions. You leave the batch. Okay, look. Every time I'm explaining one question. Okay, you can ask related to that questions. Then you ask another one. What? Okay, now look at here. Now what we discussed now. Hello, what we discussed now? Sum of, hello, listen here. Sum of two irrational is rational. Understood or not? Sum of two irrational is rational. Subtraction of two irrational is rational. Product of two irrational is rational. Quotient of two irrational is rational. Clear or not? Clear or not? Everyone okay or not? Is it okay? Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Okay. With the example, you keep in your custody, in your mind, one example. Immediately you can write that one. That will not to by heart it. Now, what we discussed now, sum of, once again, sum of two irrational is rational. Subtraction of two irrational is rational. Multiplication of two irrational is rational. Product division of two irrational is rational. Examples. Okay. Next example. Right. Sum of two irrational is irrational. 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 What is that? Root 2, comma root 3. Finish. Root 2, comma root 3. We cannot add. We just keep what? Root 2 plus root 3. That also irrational number. What is the question? Sum of two irrational is irrational. Okay. Next. Difference of two irrational is difference of two irrational is difference of two irrational is irrational. Difference of two irrational is irrational. Okay. 2 root 2, comma root 2. What happened? 2 root 2 minus root 2 also root 2. Difference of two irrational is irrational. Okay. Next. Product of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. What is that? Root 2 comma root 3. You can write your own. Okay. Root 2 comma root 3. What is that? Root of 6. Next. Quotient of two irrational is irrational. Quotient of two irrational is irrational. What is that? Root 3 comma root 2. Finish. Root 2 comma root 3. You can keep like that only. Clear or not? Okay. Second step, what you did? Product of two irrational is irrational. Subtraction of two irrational is irrational. Product of two irrational is irrational. Addition of two irrational is irrational. Division of two irrational is irrational. Okay. Next. Okay. Next one. Sum of a rational and irrational is irrational. Sum of, next example. Sum of a rational and irrational is irrational. Sum of a rational and irrational is a rational. Sum of a rational and irrational number is irrational. What that? 1 comma root 2. What happened? 1 plus root 2. Sum of a rational and an irrational number. Okay. Next. Difference of a rational and irrational. Difference of a rational and irrational is an irrational. Difference of a rational and irrational is irrational. What is that? Same example, you can use it. 1 comma root 2. 1 comma root 2. Okay. Next. Product of a rational and irrational. Product of a rational and irrational is irrational. Okay, same. We can write 3 comma root 2. 3 comma root 2. That is 3 root 2. Okay, now clear now? Okay, so now what you are going to do? Okay. Okay. Okay, simplify. It's clear now. You have to keep in your mind one examples. Okay, and okay, another thing. 0.55, 0.55. Can you write one irrational number between this? 0.5 and 0.55. Can you write an irrational number between, what do you write? An irrational number, irrational. So what? 0.5, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, etc. Don't stop it. All right? 0.51 because here 50. So we can write 0.51 because 5 is here. Okay. 0.527, etc. But should be etc. Otherwise you will be in trouble. Okay. Don't write in order. Okay. Another example. Look, 0.3 and 0.4. What to do? 0.31, 0.31, 0001, like that you can write. Okay. Next one, write simplify. Next one. It's just a conclusion of the chapter. Okay. Next one. Simplify 256 raised to 0.16 into 256 raised to 0.09. Okay, find out. 256 raised to 0.16 into 256 raised to 0.09. Okay. So 256. Okay, what you got? 256 raised to 0.25. Correct or no? 0.16 plus 0.0952. Okay. That means 256 raised to 25 by 100. Right? 256 raised to 25 by 100. Okay. That is 256 raised to 1 by 4. Correct or no? That is 4 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. Answer what? Answer is clean 4. Neha, correct. Neha, correct. Okay, good. 4 raised 4. Okay. Good question, right or not? Okay. Okay. Speed up. Okay. Complete fast.
Burn it down. Nice. God.
What Vishal? What Vishal doing? So when I open the mic, you are making disturbance and all. Not Vishal, Vishwant, Vishwant, Vishwant. So now I don't allow this one. Okay. Look. Okay. Look. So you understand this one is very, very important question, this one. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, next question. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. Okay. show that, find the value of, I think we did, find the value of, just a revision questions, okay? Find the value of root of x raised to minus 1 into y, root of y raised to minus 1 into z, root of z raised to minus 1 into x. Okay, try this one. I know we did. I just did a revision question, okay? Okay, try this one. Okay, what do you got? Answer what? 1, right? Answer is 1. Why? In a big root, x by y by z, z 1 by z into x. Okay. Oh, sorry. Look at here. 1 by x into y. 1 by y into z. 1 by z into x. X cancel, y cancel, z cancel, equal to 1. I hope finish all right. Okay. Next one, star question. Look at here. Next one, star question. If root 2 equal to, if root 2 equal to, this both chapter I combine. Okay. If root 2 equal to 1.4142. Okay. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Hey, hello. I made a mistake in root 3 value. Root 2 and root 3. I made a mistake. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. I think I made a mistake, right? Hello. Just check your book. Yeah, just check your book. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. Corrected that one. 1.7. Why no one corrected that? Okay, now with in between number, we can write 1.5, right? In between. Okay, so in between we can write what? 1.5 clean number, right? No, Viraj, I gave one question. Write a rational number. Write a rational number between root 2 and root 3. Then I wrote root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. So we can write what? 1.5 easy. Okay. Root 5 is Anubama. Root 5 is 2.414. Root 5 is 2.4. Okay. So correct that one. Okay. Okay. Anyway, come back to the question. Hello, come back. Okay. Here now, root 2 equal to 1.4142. Find the value of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. The star question. Okay. Find the value of root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. Is it okay now? Can hear me nicely, right? Hello. Okay. I'll show this one. Look at here. I'll show this one. Okay. Maybe you have temptation to apply root 2 here. You never get it. Okay. Listen now. First of all, rationalize this one. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1. Okay. In a big root, root 2 minus 1 whole square by 1. Why 1? Root 2 square is 2. 2 minus 1. So that is equal to root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. What is this one? Root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. What is the answer? Root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. Anyone?
So 2 minus root 2 plus 1
Root 2 minus
by 2 minus
root 2 minus 1. Answer is
2
what?
minus 2 root 2 plus 1.
Root 2 minus 1. No.
Sir, plus 1.
Sir,
Root 2 minus.
actually, sir, for this
Two root
minus 1,
2
you
minus
wrote
2 root 2 plus 1 by 1.
What?
So answer is 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1.
Wait. Listen here. When I ask, only you answer it. Okay. Look at here. Root of a square is what? My question. Root of x square. What is the answer? Anaga. Root of x square. What is the answer? Hello. Root of x square. X. Root of x square is x. Root of a square equal to a. Root of p square equal to p. Right? Like that. Root 2 minus 1 whole square is what? Root 2 minus 1. Clear now. No need any explanation. Okay. Root of, because both in one bracket. Root 2 minus 1 whole square is root 2 minus 1. Then come back to the value. What? 1.4142 minus 1. Answer what? 4142. This is the final answer. Are you okay or not? Any question? And okay or not? You remember this one? Root of x square. Listen. Root of Vishwan, listen here. Root of x square is x. Root of p square is p. Root of y square is y. Accordingly, root 2 minus 1 whole square is root 2 minus 1. Then apply the value. Okay. Because it's square, no. Root of a square equal to what? A. Here what? Root of root 2 minus 1 whole square is a big root in a big root. That's why here root 2 minus 1. Okay. Then apply the value 1.4142 minus 1. So 0.4142. Okay. Write fast. Okay. Right. Okay, copy first. Okay. So next question. Look at here. Find the value. This is star question. Okay. Star question. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Just a revision only this one. Okay. Find the value of A and B. 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5 minus 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5 equal to A plus 7 by 11 root 5 B. 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5 minus 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5 equal to a plus 7 by 11 root 5b. Root 5b. You want to try this one? Anyone want to try? First you try. Question, Viraj, look at the board. Okay. Okay, try first. I'll give a hint. Hey, I'll give a hint. If you want, you can simplify this one and subtract. Or how we do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? You find A and B. How we did in lower classes, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, same way. Or you simplify this one and subtract. That's up to you. Okay. Okay, up to you. You do that. Okay. Without permission, don't take the mic. Okay. If you want to take something to tell, you type it and then do it. Okay. Okay. Anybody getting or not? Hello. Anyone getting or not? Hello. Who's the new guy named Ashkid? What is the name? I forgot the name. Akshid. Akshid. Okay. There is a test today. Okay. There is a test today based on these two chapters, your test portions at 9 o'clock. So before that, you remind me, I'll add your name in group A. Okay. Which number then tell me. Okay. The same number you asked this one, 90001, that one? Same number only? Okay, then I'll add. It's not a more question, 1 or 2 question only. Okay. Who that? Ananya. Okay. In that easy question only, no? And then I check that one. You can do it yourself. If not getting, which are the question not getting, tell me. Okay. You mark it and send me, then I'll do it. First you work out it. Okay. I saw that it's the easy one. Okay, look at here now. Let me try this question. Hello, look at here. I'm going for LCM method. Look at here. 7. I think I made a mistake in this. Okay. No, okay, correct. Okay. Let me see the question again. Okay. Look, 7 minus root 5 into 7 plus root 5. This is coming here. 7 plus root 5 whole square minus, careful, 7 minus root 5 whole square equal to so and so. Okay, this one, when you open 49 plus 5 plus 14 root 5 minus 49 plus 5 minus 14 root 5 divided by 49 minus 5. Correct or not? 49 minus 5. Are you okay? This step okay or not? This step clear or not? Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. This one going to here, this one going to here. So that is 7 plus root 5 whole square minus of 7 minus root 5 whole square divided by 7 minus root 5 into 7 plus root 5. Open a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, when you open here, 49 plus 5, how much? 54, right? 54 plus 14 root 5 minus 54 plus minus 54 plus 14 root 5 divided by 44, right? Okay, 54 cancel. Okay, I'm writing here answer, okay? 28 root 5 divided by 44 equal to a plus b 7 by 11 root 5. Okay. Then 28 we can cancel by cut by 4. 7 by 11 root 5 equal to a plus b 7 by 11 root 5. A equal to 0. B equal to root 5 b, right? Root 5 b. B equal to what? 1. A equal to 0, b equal to 1. Anybody got? A equal to 0, b equal to 1. Anyone got? If not getting, I'll explain again. Janil, you got? Okay, good. Okay, I'll show this. I'll show this one. Okay. Okay, another method also I'll show you. Okay, look at here. Another method also I'll show you. Look. Okay, look at here. I'll show you another method. So, look, 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5 minus 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5 equal to a plus 7 by 11 root 5 b. Okay. Suppose if you are familiar, other method, look at here. Look. 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5. What is that? 7 plus root 5 into 7 plus root 5 divided by 49 minus 5. Agree or not? 7 square minus root 5 square, that is not 7 by 49 minus 5. This is equal to 49 plus 7 root 5 plus 7 root 5 plus 5 divided by 44 equal to 54 plus 14 root 5 divided by 54. Agree or not? Is it okay? This is the first simplification, this part. Check. Hello. Usually I ask this question, okay? 7 plus root 5 divided by 7 minus root 5. You got like this. Okay. Now we got 7 minus root 5 divided by 7 plus root 5 equal to what? 7 minus root 5 into 7 plus 7 minus root 5 divided by, you'll get same thing, 49 minus 5. That is, when you open, we get 49 minus 7 root 5 minus 7 root 5 plus 5 divided by 44. This is equal to 54 minus 14 root 5 divided by 44. Okay. Who all made mistakes? Copy up to here. Then I'll rub it. Copy fast. Okay, so now after that, look at here. After that, look, we are subtracting this one. 54 plus 14 root 5. Because same denominator, we can subtract 44 minus 54 minus 14 root 5 divided by 44. Okay. Then, look. 54 plus 14 root 5 minus 54 plus 14 root 5 divided by 44 equal to what? Our question is what? A plus 7 by 11 root 5 B. Okay, this is cancelled. 28 root 5 divided by 44 equal to A plus 7 by 11 root 5 B. Okay, we can cancel. This one. What you got? We cancel this one. What you got? 7 by 11 root 5 equal to A plus 7 by 11 root 5 B. A here nothing. A 0. A 0. B equal to 1. A 0. B equal to 11. A 0. B equal to 1. Okay. There what? What is the problem? There what? What is the problem? Hello. Hello. What's your question? No. We didn't change any time. Did you finish this note? Did you finish or not? Did you finish or not? Okay. Send me the note. I want to see. Okay. The previous method also. How come previous method also b equal to 1? Correct or no? B equal to 1. Equating b equal to 1. Okay, it's a good question. Okay. So now, okay. I didn't change any timing and all, but simply by asking the question, right? Dervat, where is your note? I'm waiting your note to see. Okay. Hello, Dervat, where is the note? Make sure this question. Okay. So next one, right? Next question. 81. Dervat, if not sending, I'll kick from the group now. Okay, send it now. Okay. See, you didn't complete it. You didn't complete it, right or no? You didn't bother about what is going on here. You asking the question only. What about timing and all? The notice you didn't complete it. Right? You didn't complete the note, then ask. Okay. I hope everyone completed, right? Everyone completed or not? Okay, next question, right? Next question. This is a good question. Okay, right. No, just simply asking what is the time of next class. I didn't change any timing. Then simply asking what is the time and all. What? Right, 81 raised to 0.16 into 81 raised to 0.09. Okay, 81 raised to 0.09. Okay. Okay, finish this one. 81 raised to 0.16. 81 raised to 0.16 into 81 raised to 0.09. 81 raised to 0.09. Okay, what's the answer? Look, 81 raised to 0.25. Correct? Like last question, right? 81 raised to 25 by 100. 81 raised to 1 by 4. 3 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. Answer is what? 3. Answer is 3. Who all got? Everybody got? Vishal, you finish? Okay. So next one. Next question. 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. 60, listen. You got 81 raised to 1 by 4. Yes. Then what? 3 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4, that is 3. Okay. Okay, write this one. 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. Okay, try this one. Okay, what do you got? Look, here 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 16 raised to 1 by 4. Correct or not? 4th root of 16 is 16 raised to 1 by 4. That is 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to what? 16 raised to 0 equal to 1. 16 raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay, next one. Try this question. Is it okay? All? Hello. Is it okay now? What you did different method? You got one, right? Okay. So next question. 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 into 64 raised to 1 by 3 minus 64 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, try this one. 64 raised to minus 1 by 3. Then 64 raised to 1 by 3 minus 64 raised to 2 by 3. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. Wait. Let me check. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen here. 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 means what? 4 cube raised to minus 1 by 3, right? 4 cube raised to 1 by 3 minus 4 cube raised to 2 by 3. Okay, cancel. So 4 raised to minus 1. 4 raised to 1 minus 4 square, right? 1 by 4. 4 minus 16. Okay, correct or no? 4 minus 16. That is 1 by 4 into minus 12. Cancel 3. Answer is what? Minus 3. We all got. Answer is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Okay. Okay. Correct. Who all made mistakes? Correct it now. Okay. Okay. So next question. Is it okay all? Vishal, you got? Hello, Vishal. Okay. So next question, try 4 divided by 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 256 raised to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 divided by 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. Okay, try this one. Once again, 4 divided by 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 256 raised to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 divided by 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. Okay, try now. Okay. Finish. Answer what? 214. You try? Answer is 214. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Look at here. If not getting, listen here. I think we did the same question here. Correct or no? Same question we did. Okay. Vishal, you finish? Daksh. Check one by one. 216 raised to minus 2 by 3. That is 6 cube raised to minus 2 by 3. Cancel. 6 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 6 square equal to 1 by 36. This is the first part. Then 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. 4 raised to 4 raised to minus 3 by 4. Cancel. 4 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by 4 cube equal to 1 by 64, right? Correct or no? Okay. 243 raised to minus 1 by 5 equal to 3 raised to 5 all raised to minus 1 by 5. 3 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. You all got this one at least. You got like this. Okay. Now we conclude 4 into 1 by 36. 4 divided by 1 by 36. That is 36 going up. Plus 1 into 64 going up. Plus 2 into 3. Okay. That will 144 plus 64 plus 6. This is the answer. Okay. So what's the answer? 214. Okay. Now, write P by Q form. Hello, right? P by Q form. Right? P by Q form. 0.47 bar. 1. 2, 0.123 bar. 3, 0.123 bar. Okay. 4, 0.123 whole bar. 5, 0.12 bar. Okay, try this one. You remember, no? P by Q form. Okay, getting it now? Second question. Second question, 0.123 bar. 1, 2, 3 bar. Ishwant, is it okay? Okay. Are you getting now? Finish all? Okay. Last question was last question 0.12 bar. 0.12 bar. Okay. So look at here. Each question I'll explain here now. Look. First of all, x equal to 0.4777. Call it number one. One digit repeating from here. 10x equal to 0.4, 4.77, etc. Number two. One digit repeating, multiply by 10. 100x equal to 47.777. Number three. 3 minus 2. 90x equal to 43. X equal to 43 divided by 90. Who all got the first question? First question, is it answer? Check the answer correct or not. Maybe I'm wrong. 43 by 90, correct or not? Yeah, school also doing same method or different method? Yes, because that time school not started. No, when I start, same method only. Okay, same method. Okay, so x equal to first question. First question, very important question. Okay, x equal to 43 divided by 90. Maybe some school they are using p by q equal to like that. Okay, next one. Next one. Listen, after this class, everyone prepare for the test portion. Okay. X equal to 0.12333. Number one. You have to bring this decimal to here. 100x equal to 12.333. Number two. Multiply by 10. 1000x equal to 12333. Number three. 900x equal to how much? 123 minus 12. How much? 123 minus 12. How much? One. No, my question answer it. 123 minus 12. How much? 111. Okay. 111. X equal to 111 divided by 900. So 37 divided by 300. 37 divided by 300. Okay. Copy first. Who all made mistake? Okay. So next one. Next one. Okay. x equal to next one. This one, right? Okay. 0.1, 0.1, 2, 3, 2, 3, etc. 10x equal to 1.23, 23, etc. 2-digit repeating. 1000 x equal to 123.23. 990 x equal to 122. X equal to 122 divided by 990. What's the answer? 61 by 495, right? 61. You guys read. 61 divided by, correct or no? 61 divided by 49. Okay. Okay, I think now this is all easy for you, right? 4 and 5, now to explain. You got already, right? 4 and 5 you got already, right? Okay. So 4 and 5 you completed. Okay. So now I just do some question from the polynomial also. Okay. Write the question. Thus, Tuesday also I do like this revision only, both chapter revision. Okay. Right. Find the remainder when x raised to 31 plus 31. Find the remainder when x raised to 31 plus 31 is divided by x plus 1. Is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. Find the remainder when x raised to 31 plus 31 divided by x plus 1 comma x minus 1. X plus 1 comma x minus 1. Okay. Try now. DPS, which chapter now going on? Same chapter revision? Okay. So now look at here. This one try. Yanesh, try first this one. Okay. What you got? P of x, this one. P of minus 1. What? Minus 1 raised to 31 plus 31. Correct or no? Minus 1 raised to 31 is what? Minus raised to 31. Minus raised to 31 is what? Come on. Minus raised to 31 is what? My question, answer it. Minus 1 plus 31 equal to 30. Why? Minus raised to odd number is negative. Minus raised to even number is positive. Okay, next one. P of 1 equal to 1 raised to 31 plus 31. That is 1 plus 31. That is what? 32. Answer what? 31 and 32. 31 and 32. Okay, next question, right? Find the remainder. Find using remainder theorem, right? Using remainder theorem. Using remainder theorem. Using remainder theorem. Using remainder theorem. Find the remainder. Find the remainder when x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 4 is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay, try this. Okay, find the remainder. Find the remainder. This divided by x plus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 2. Okay. Okay. Speed up. Okay. Okay, finish all. Okay, finish it first. Okay. Akshit, after the test, you send me the paper in WhatsApp, in not in group. Okay, only one or two questions only, not much. Okay, selected one or two questions. Okay, everyone should everyone should read the reader. Okay, that's why it's called reader. You have to read it. Okay, now first question. Look at here. P of x, P of minus 1. What? Minus 1 raised to 4. 3 into minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 square minus 4. So 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4. So that is what? 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus 4. 4, 5, answer what? 1. First question answer is 1. First question answer is 1. Correct or no? Correct or no? Here 1, minus 1, 3, here 2. Oh, I miss. Okay, correct or no? Okay, so 4. No, answer is 2, right? This is cancelled. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Why is 2, right? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay. So next one is what? You check the board. Okay. Next one, 1. 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 4. Okay, this is 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 3, minus 4. Answer what? Minus 4, right? I corrected man, Vishal. Vishal. Oh, I write the question is I wrote wrong. What is the question? X raised to 4 minus 3x cube. Yeah, correct only. Okay. Question. X raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 4. Okay. What was the first question? X plus 1. Okay, I'll try again. Minus 1 raised to 4. 3 into minus 1 cube. 2 into minus 1 square minus 4. Here 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 4. 1 plus 3. Oh, correct. 3 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 4. Now what? 4. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. First question answer is 2. Okay. Now, second question. Second question, substitute 1. That's simple. 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 4. 1, 3 minus 3 minus 4. Answer what? Minus 4, right? Okay. Now, third one, 2 raised to minus 2 raised to 4. 3 into minus 2 cube. 2 into minus 2 square minus 4. Here 16. 3 into minus 8 plus 16. Hey, no. 8 minus 4. Correct? What is the answer? Third one. Third answer is what? Third answer 44. Correct? 24, 16. Yes, 44. Okay. So look at here now. Up to here study. Ready for the test today. Both chapter all together. Okay. So sharp 9 o'clock test ready. Okay. It's enough today.